Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about or let's fix some column and wall overlapping issue. If you go to the column, I have drawn one wall. If you go to the column, there's two type of column. One is structural column and one is architectural column. So between these two there's a different. Okay, structural column and then between architectural column there's a very big difference. But in reality maybe it's same, but in the Revit it is different. And reality also sometimes different. So you see some decorated column. You can say this one architectural column, which is not having any load, slab load or something. Or it maybe it can give little support. Normally architectural column like you can consider as a decorated column. So if you go to the Google, just type architectural column. Columns here. I don't think so it will come, but let's see. Something like this. You see this one, this whole architectural column. Like decorated, see this one? This whole type of architectural column. Structural column, it's different from that. So when you are adding a column, let's go to the structural column. You will see here only I-beam also structure related column. But if you go to the load family, load family, and you have to go to the structural column inside concrete and this one or this square, anything you want. So let's open. So let's place the column. So first thing, you will not see the column. So why? Because when we are placing the structural column, you see here some settings. Okay, here. So it's gone for the depth. Okay, so it's, see, this level I didn't do. So I have to check height and then level 1. Oh, sorry, I am already in the level 1. So I have to go to the level 2. So if I place a column, you will see the column. Okay. So anyhow, there's a column 1 hidden here, somewhere here, because I cannot see that one. So let's go for the 3D. So you will see here, this is the one. So let's delete this one. So in the level 1, you will see something like this. If you go in the find wireframe, see it's crossing. And the same time, if you go visibility setting, VV, or in the view, visibility graphic, either you type VB or visibility setting. In the structural column, so this is the structural, and then column. In the cut plane, in the pattern, I will make solid, or you can do whatever you want, either solid or something like this. It's depend what you want. So let's keep it like that same. Okay, but if you go shaded, it will be look like this, and hidden you can see like this. But a wireframe, you will see this one. But if you go to the 3D also, so this wall is not connected, let's make up to level 2. Okay, you see this one? So this is passing. Okay, so what we have to do to fix this one, you just go to the modify and join and click this and click this. So what will happen? It will cut. So if you see here, see this, if I select the wall, it's already cut. Okay, so what will happen in case of you make shaded, it will be separately, you can see. Okay, I hope you understand, and even you go realistic or and you will see this one as separate. So it's not wall going, see this in separate. So let's go for the shaded. So it's not going inside the wall. So let's make another one. CS. Okay, I will keep it another one here. So still if you click this one, see it's going inside. Even your 3D you can see it's overlapping. So it's very simple. Go to here, joint, and click this one and click this one. So it's already uh, divided the wall. It's not anymore overlapping. So in the class detection also it will not show overlapping. So what will happen if I place the architectural column? Let's go architecture column. So it's architecture, already I have concrete column. You put it this one. You see what happened. It's say if I make this one a CS, create similar. Even this one crossing, but this one not crossing. So let's go VV, visibility graphic, and let's make architectural column. Okay, and this column. So even I make different color. Let's go for the black. I am changing this one also black. Okay, okay. You see, it's still going inside. But if I change, if I cut this one, join this one in modify. See, it's not working because this is uh, architectural column. Okay, so let's this one. Oh, it's already joined. Yeah, I want to change this one. So let's change this one color also. VV. So I will go to the structure and structural column here. This one architectural column, structural column here. This one solid. Let's make black. Solid. Let's make black. Okay. 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 So let's copy this one. CS. So it's already going inside. So you can see difference between the architectural column how it will work and then the structural column how it will work. So if you go to the 3D, see this one is different and this is different. So let's join this one. Okay. Okay. Now this one is already inside the wall, but this one is different. So let's delete this one. We don't need anymore. So this is how we can fix the column overlapping issue. So sometimes you put the architectural column and you try to fix this one, it won't fix. So it should be a structural column. Architectural column only for decoration issues. So let's load one architectural column. Okay, let's load insert load family. So we will go to the English column, yeah, here. So let's load this one, or maybe we can load this one. Okay, so I will copy one column, CS. Okay, okay. Now no need this one, no need. We will put one column, architecture column. Okay, so this one I choose and I put it here. Okay, so let's make architecture column different color. Let's make red. Okay, now I will go to the structural column. Structural column. You see here at columns. So you click this one and if you click this one, oh sorry, it should be at column. So click this one and finish. Okay, now this one. Now see, this is a structural column and this is architectural column. So now you will understand this is only the decorated column. The actual column is this one. Okay, so if you go to the 3D, let's make shaded. See how it will work. So this is how it will work. This is the actual column and this is architecture column. So if you want to, I think it will work. This one you can click, this one and this one. So it's detected. So when you calculate the mass, it won't affect. I hope you understand very well. And if you're not subscribed my channel, subscribe and we can learn together. Until then, take care. Bye.